Very good evening. This is Praveen Kumar from Zebu and Wealth Management Private Limited, and this session is about the market closing, how the market gone today. Whether we have morning itself, we have told some levels, whether this level can achieve, this level can exit likewise, whether that can be that have done or not. We will be discussing in this session, and also we will be discussing about the global cues and the Reliance annual general meeting morning itself. I have told the same thing. We are going to discuss in this session now. So according to this, our market morning itself I have told the global cues are very weak compared with yesterday's close, that is on Friday's close. So and the Asian markets are open with a very deep red. So our market was given a low level, that is gap down level we have seen, that is yesterday's closes around, that is on Friday's closes around Nifty future 17,653, and today it was opened around 17,290, around 350 to 360 points gap down we have seen in Nifty future. In the same thing Bank Nifty, if you see around 900 points gap down we have seen in morning. So I have told that can be a recover possible in Nifty future till 17,430 to 440 level, then we can have a down the line below 17,430. I have told the same thing was happened in Nifty future, that is the high from the low, that is the mark that Nifty future opened around 17,290 and the low is around 17,250 level. From the low around 190 points got recovered, that is 17,440 is the high today. So after 17,440 it came down to the level of 17,384, it is a closing today. And Bank Nifty, if you see around 240 points to 250 points are recovered from the opening itself, that is the opening is around 38,315. From there the low is around 38,129 and the high made is around 38,560. So around 460 points, 440 points have recovered from the low in Bank Nifty future we are seeing, and the closing is around 38,486. So the recover is around for profit booking, that's it. So the market tend to be negative while the opening of the European market also, and the SGX Nifty is currently also it is trading in the negative only, negative in the sense SGX Nifty is trading around 17,380 level, minus 278 points it's trading, and minus 1.58% it was changed down the line. So global keys are on weakness only. So today, whether the US market has opened and closed in a negative, that is lower level, and the European market was closed on a negative, and tomorrow if that is tomorrow Asian markets are opening in a negative note, then further gap down can be a possible one for our market. Till I have told you in the morning itself, 17,100, 17,050 level is a possible level to the down the line I am saying, because some profit booking is happening from the level of 18,000 in Bank, that is Nifty future we have seen 18,004 is the high level we have seen earlier last week. So from there continues 1 week it is consolidated market we have seen. So we are expecting that down the line movement in Nifty and also in Bank Nifty the same. So the levels will be followed in the next timing. But in the meantime, we will be discussing about the Reliance annual general meeting is going. So annual general meeting, the news is around Reliance to partner with Qualcomm, it's saying, and also Reliance to triple vinyl chain capacity like guys. Then Reliance will launch FMCG business this year, it's saying, and also Jio to invest 2 lakh crore for 5G network, they are saying in this AGM. And also Jio 5G will be world's largest 5G network, Jio to deploy latest version of 5G called standalone likewise. And Jio has further consolidation position of the #1 player, and also Jio can accelerate fixed broadband with by using 5G. This is the AGM discussion on whatever minimum discussion I am saying. And also Lupin, about the Lupin receives tentative approval from US FDA for Destiny tablets. It is of US sales around 12,000 crores. It is sales around it's running. So comparatively, if you see about Lupin stock, today it's around 1.42% positive. We are seeing in Lupin around 661.95, around 640, and went high to the level of 664. This is the Lupin movement and what the positive have changed today. Okay, and coming to the point of sector-wise movement in Nifty, if you see, Nifty Bank is around minus 1.82% change, and Nifty Auto is around 0.33% change, and majorly consecutive days we are seeing that Nifty IT is coming down to the level, and it is a very negative level and very weak we are seeing. Nifty IT is trading minus 3.53% today, and Nifty Media is around minus 2.03, and PSU banks around minus 1.63, and private banks around minus 1.86% change today. This is the sectoral wise changes today, and top gainers and top losers of the companies today, if you see, Britannia is around 1.67% positive movement we have seen, and Maruti is around 1.31% positive movement, and Nestle India 0.94%, and Coal India is 0.64% positive, then Asian Paints around 0.62% positive. These are top gainers company about the market movers today, and top losers about today is that Tech Mahindra is around minus 4.56%, and Infosys around minus 3.82%, then Wipro is around minus 2.89%. Continuously we are seeing that IT companies are on a top losers segment. Then Kotak Bank is around minus 2.74%, and HCL Tech is around minus 2.73%. These are the top losers company we are seeing today. Okay, coming to the point where about the market movement, I will share my screen now about the Nifty future. Yes, this is the Nifty future chart. For your understanding, I will be showing you 15 minutes candle, and I will show today's candle. Yes, morning itself we have discussed, whenever the market is breaking the level of 17,349 level, then we can move on to the long position, and with the stop loss of 17,250 we have told in the morning. So according to that, how much the high made till now is around 17,440. In 10, that is 9:45 to 10 o'clock candle itself, it moved towards the 17,377 and 17,393 respectively. Then according to that, around 12:30 the market Nifty futures is around 17,440, 437 went. So this kind of long position if we are taking, then we can make a minimum level of profit in Nifty future with our support level what we have discussed. Likewise, the Bank Nifty future I will tell you. Yes, Bank Nifty future chart I am showing you now. This is a 15 minutes candle. Yes, today's chart I am showing. Yes, this is of today's candle. Yeah, morning I have told you no further movement I have shown in Bank Nifty compared to the Nifty future. Bank Nifty movement was not that much good today, because morning itself it gave movement towards the level of 38,129 low and 38,494 high in within 15 minutes itself. So after that the movement was on a choppy movement, likewise, that is consolidated movement. So maximum no higher level and no lower level was not broken that much we are seeing. So Bank Nifty futures chart movement, this is the movement, it's a consolidated movement we are seeing. Okay, coming to the option point, whether if would have trade in option today, whether we can able to make any profit. Likewise, if you ask me, we are seeing that Bank Nifty options or Nifty options was not that much movement given today. If you see, I will show you that 38,200 put option Bank Nifty, 38,200 strike we are seeing put option. Yes, 15 minutes candle I am showing you, and I am sharing you that today's intraday chart. This is of today's intraday chart. In first 15 minutes itself, the open is around 214 and the high is around 518. So that morning itself we have seen that gap down have shown. So within first 15 minutes itself, that movement is around 300 points movement we have seen. in 38,200 put option. So after that, the consolidated movement we are seeing in Bank Nifty 38,200 put option. Then if you see about the call option, whether call option are giving any positive movement today, yes, 15 minutes candle I am showing you, candlestick, today's chart, yes. If you see in 38,200 call option also, the movement was a consolidated movement, not that much movement we have expected in Bank Nifty option. So Bank Nifty, if you are trading in Bank Nifty options today, you can't able to match your profit that much what we have expected likewise. So we can go to that Nifty options, whether Nifty options is given that much of movement today, yes, but 17,300 put option I am showing you in screen. Yes. Yeah. This is of 17,300 put option you are seeing in the screen. The open is around at 9:15 to 9:30. Opening is around 115 and the high is around 199. If the option writers are very keen on the market movement or market predictors, then they would have sold that put option, that is at 190 level. Then we can make a profit till it came to the level of 85.55 from 199. So around 110 points are scratched from the high in 17,300 put option Nifty. So option writers, they would have made profit in option trade today. If you see in 17,300 call option, whether any opportunities for buyers, there is no that much of opportunity, but little bit profit they can earn. The little bit profit in a sense around 20 points or 25 points movement can be able to tap today. So if you see in 9:15 to 9:30 candle, the high is around 140.21, low is around 86.05. From there, the high is around 167 to 168, around 25 to 27 points are moved upward today. So if the option buyers enter today, they can make a minimum of profit, or if the high level was not broken, then the option writers can make a good profit. If you see 168 is the high and the closing is around 115.7 and 128 likewise. So the option writer would have made 40 rupees as a profit. So this market is for option writers, not for option buyers. That much I am seeing it. So this is my view I am saying you. And for tomorrow level, I am suggesting that if the global cues are negative, our market will be furthermore gone delay due to the global cues. That is, gap down can be possible. Gap down in the sense around 150 to 200 points we can expect. If the global market supports our market, then our market can be a bullish one. According to that, whatever we are seeing gap down today, the same thing we can have a gap up also possible. But what I am expecting a gap down movement also tomorrow as a possible one. So keep levels that 17,250 level, 17,250 was broken, that is 17,230 have broken, then we can enter into the put option to the level of 17,050 is a possible level. If the higher level of 17,475 to 480 was broken, then we can have a rally towards 17,630 level also. This is Nifty futures. For Bank Nifty future, around 38,175 to 150 is the level. If 38,150 to 175 is broken, then we can have a rally towards 37,800, 37,600 also a possible level. If 38,600, that is 580 level is broken, then we can expect the rally towards 38,800, 38,950 and 39,000 also a possible level for Bank Nifty future. So keep this in your mind and don't do blindly trade, and you discuss with your wealth managers or investment advisor for your trade, or if you have any queries, you comment on your comment box, we will be reverting on it. And thank you for watching this session. Have a great day. Thank you.